In this video, we'll be going over how to create and manage a conference call using the TELUS Business Connect desktop application. To do this, simply dial the first number that you wish to reach and let that number connect. Or if you have an incoming call, you can go ahead and answer that call. Once the call has been answered, we're going to go ahead and add a second call by clicking on Add. From here, you can see at the top, you can add to the conference as easy as entering the number you wish to dial and then hitting Send. This will dial the other party, and after they answer, you'll then be able to add them into the call. This gives you a chance to communicate with the person you called to let them know that they are going to be in a conference call. And as you can see here, we have 2 active calls. And to complete the merge, just click on plus. And you'll see here that you can individually manage each call. If you wish to hang up on the first call, you can click on this one. Or if you wish to hang up on the second, you can click on that one. In addition to this, you can also add a third call or more by calling an extension or another number. After this party has answered, you can then communicate with them and then add them to the conference. You can see here that they are all individually manageable. And if you wish to convert them into one call, you can click on the Promote to Conference, which will allow you to add 3 or more callers. As you noticed, if you try to keep it as an individual, it will not allow you to have more than 3 calls active, including yourself. Now, if we promote to conference, what it does is it merges all of the calls into one conference call. So then if you were to add a third call, you can do that just by dialing the number and then pressing on the plus. From here, you can see that I can converge all 3 calls and then continue to add more recipients to the conference call. In addition to this, you also have the option to invite people to your conference call, as the individual call has now been promoted to a conference. By clicking on the plus, you can invite by text or email, which will then open up a dialog, which will give you access to a dial-in number and then a participant access code if you wish to have someone else join the call without having to call them. You can see here this is our active call, and if you wish to end this call, simply click on the End button. At this point, the parties that were still in the call will still be connected, but you have then backed out of the conference call, leaving the callers on the bridge. And that is how you handle and manage conference calling with the TELUS Business Connect desktop application.